The Lagos State chapter of the National Association of Proprietors of Private Schools, NAPS, has assured that it would bridge the academic gap created by COVID-19 during the year. Some NAPS executives gave the assurance in an interview with the News Agency of Nigeria at a workshop aimed at sensitizing school owners on safety measures to curtail the spread of COVID-19 as schools reopen on September 21.
Our Honorable Commissioner of Education, Lagos State, has said, when we resume now, the first 4 weeks is to recap all of third term and actually have exams, take the third term exam before we go into the new session of the first term. So during those 4 weeks, we're going to evaluate the children, recap on all the things that they've learned. Some were able to do online, some were not able to do online. So it's going to be a recap for all students, and then tests are going to be written for the students. So the first 4 weeks is going to be purely to complete the third term that we lost due to COVID, and then the first term will now come in immediately afterwards.
The third term work cannot be swept under ground. We still have to do one or two things about it. We still have to teach the children, else there will be a missing link. We cannot just promote children without assessing them. You know, the issue with scheme of work is it's like a foundation that you are building. Once you miss one of the layers, then the whole thing will crash. It cannot stand.
The executive said that NAPS was working with the Lagos State Education Quality Assurance Unit by inspecting schools to monitor their preparedness and compliance with the COVID-19 prevention guidelines. While speaking to school owners on current trends in preventing the spread of COVID-19 in schools, a medical expert, Dr. Segun Ebitomi, advised proprietors to consider adjusting some of the school's policies to accommodate new trends such as e-learning, relaxed attendance for students and teachers, signage, and public address systems for regular communication.
The school is the most important, one of the most important places where children spend their time. They spend most of their waking time in school than in any other area. And if we are not securing their health in the school, the chances of us securing their health properly is very reduced. That is why having a reopening process that is safe is not just important for the children, it's important for the whole community, so that teachers are protected, their parents are protected.